largest group of both Kansans and Americans that are unemployed are people with disabilities. Persons with disabilities often experience feelings of depression or lack of self-worth when they encounter barriers to employment opportunities. Employers tend to see the disability first and overlook the person's skills. The medical community may discourage work as too stressful. The cost of the disability-related expenses may increase as individuals leave their home support systems to enter the workforce. One response to these needs has been to provide public assistance for these individuals and incentives to help transition to work and keep benefits. For those individuals who choose to explore work as a life choice, DRC of Kansas can provide a number of options and supports that may address their concerns and provide self-advocacy skills to address, minimize, and eliminate these barriers. DRC works with individuals to advise them of their rights to vocational rehabilitation assistance and effective use of the Ticket to Work program, which was created to help individuals secure, regain, or maintain employment. In addition, questions concerning the Americans with Disabilities Act and the effect of returning to work may have on their Social Security benefits. To receive services from vocational rehabilitation, you must have a physical or mental impairment that is a substantial impediment to employment and be able to benefit from VR services by getting and keeping a job. You can receive VR services regardless of your financial status. VR may fully pay for certain services, or you may have to pay a portion of the cost. This will depend on your individual situation and the services that are to be provided, and based on what the guidelines indicate you should pay. If you are eligible for supplemental security income or Social Security disability insurance, you are presumed eligible for VR services. If you have a disability but not receiving Social Security benefits, your eligibility will be determined by VR. VR provides consumers with the assistance they need to work. However, you choose the specifics. You choose your vocational rehabilitation goal or the kind of job you want, the services that are clearly necessary to obtain or keep the job, and who will provide the service. You may have some questions.
What are some examples of service the VR program may provide?
If you need services for a job, VR may provide the services that reduce barriers to employment.
What can I do myself? How do I get VR service?
Contact your local VR or SRS office to start the application process. There is a process that you must go through to get these services. Many people also have questions about Social Security and Medicaid benefits and how one can work and keep those benefits.
If I have Social Security benefits, won't working make me lose my benefits?
This is a tricky question. Sometimes a portion of your benefits may be affected. However, there are incentives and rules that may help you. It would be best for you to contact DRC to speak with someone about how your benefits would be affected.
What about my Medicare and Medicaid benefits? I really can't afford to lose those.
Well, if you are receiving an SSI check, you should be eligible to keep those benefits as well. Again, it would be best to contact DRC to speak with someone who could look at your situation. DRC also has a helpful fact sheet and other materials outlining these benefits issues. There are a lot of myths surrounding benefits and work. DRC can help you sort through what's fact and what's fiction. Another option is to contact the Working Healthy program within Medicaid, which offers special options to help you keep your benefits.
What if where I work isn't accessible to me because of my disabilities?
You should definitely contact DRC. DRC has attorneys on staff who can provide you free legal advice on disability rights issues.
What is the CAP? How can CAP help me with my VR case?
The CAP stands for the Client Assistance Program. It was created to provide advocacy for clients and applicants of vocational rehabilitation services and individuals served by other programs funded under the Rehabilitation Act. In Kansas, the CAP is operated by the Disability Rights Center of Kansas. DRC is the official protection and advocacy system for Kansans with disabilities and has attorneys and advocates on staff to help you. DRC provides information and referral, self-advocacy support, advocacy, and legal representation.
What about the PABSS program? How can it help me?
PABSS stands for Protection and Advocacy for Beneficiaries of Social Security. PABSS is a very powerful program funded by the Social Security Administration. The PABSS program in Kansas is operated by DRC. Here's how the PABSS program can help you. If you are a person with a disability who is a recipient or beneficiary of Social Security, and you are experiencing a barrier to employment, DRC's PABSS program wants to help you.
So what's a barrier to employment?
Barrier to employment can be one of a number of things, including having your right to fair housing violated, being improperly denied community-based services, being incorrectly denied health care, being abused, or having your guardian or conservator prevent you from working, being improperly denied transportation services, being discriminated on the job or in the application process, plus many other things can be a barrier to obtain, maintain, or regain employment. If you are a person with a disability receiving SSI or SSDI and you are experiencing a barrier to employment, contact DRC so we can help.
Sounds like DRC provides some great services. Can they help me find a job?
No, DRC does not conduct direct job searches or supported employment for people with disabilities. What DRC does is protect and enhance your rights and break down barriers involving disability rights programs so that you can find a job yourself or with the assistance of other outside agencies. There are many agencies that can help you find work. DRC can provide you a referral to one of these agencies.